Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Sharif's Kitchen. Today we're going to make chili paneer. First, let's marinate the paneer. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, but 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of rice flour and all-purpose flour. Mix it well, add in some water and stir it until it becomes a nice thick paste. We are going to coat this on the paneer and fry the paneer. Then we are going to cook it with chili to make a chili paneer. So when it comes to a nice consistency like this, pour it on top of the paneer. So we have taken 1 kilogram of paneer cut into small cubes. Pour it on top of this and nicely coat the paneer. You don't need to marinate this for a long period of time. A coating is just good enough. Once it is coated, you can straight away go to the frying pan and fry it. Add about 4 tablespoons of oil to a frying pan and place the paneer in it and fry it. All what we are looking for is a good color coat on the paneer. Once you have a good color coat on it, remove the paneer from the frying pan and set it aside. Now to the same frying pan, add in sliced garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and add in just a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell is gone. Then add in 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Cut an onion into bigger chunks and add it and saute this. Once you add masala, make sure to add water within a minute so that it doesn't get burned and change the color. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and salt to taste. Remember, we have already added salt to the paneer coating masala, so make sure you add correct amount of salt. Once this is nicely cooked, add some bell peppers. So I've taken 3 different kinds of bell peppers so that it adds a nice color to this chili paneer. Any bell pepper of your choice is fine. Add some curry leaves and mix it well. And now bring back the paneer and make sure the paneer is nicely coated with the masala. You don't have to cook it too long because the paneer is already fried. All what you need to do is mix it well and then add in some lemon zest and juice of half a lemon. You could use lemon or lime, that's fine. Then give it a nice stir and that's it. Your paneer chili is ready. Garnish with some fresh coriander leaf and you're ready to serve this. Please try this recipe and let me know how it comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Please support by subscribing to the channel. And as usual, share this with your friends and family. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.